Hi! In front of me is ULEFONE Armor 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Security section. Now click on Biometrics and Password. Tap on Screen Lock over here and pick the best login method for you: pattern, PIN or password. Following that, you need to create it. Then select Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then hit Confirm. Over here, tap on the best option for notifications on the locked screen. Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I don't want any, so I will go with the last option and tap on Done at the bottom right corner. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!